Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be talking about TCS background verification. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, for getting the TCS background verification, the first step is you got your offer letter. Okay, so when you will got your offer letter after accepting the offer letter, I'm sure on the portal it will be looking like this, like offer letter, and in this you can see offer letter accepted. Okay, after that, you will be seeing like that. Thank you for accepting the offer letter. We are thrilled to have you on board. For queries, you can write on ilp.support@dcs.com. And there is an option given to download the offer letter. Okay, so download offer letter. So you can basically download your offer letter. And make sure you download your offer letter. After that, you are saving it on the location in which you can also use that in future. In the portal, you will be seeing the status bar like this, in which there will be an application form, offer letter, track my application, ILP corner, background check, and certifications. Okay. Now, in the application form corner, I'm sure you guys already know you have already filled the application form, right? Filled the application form. On the offer letter, you can download your offer letter, right? You can download your offer letter. Track my application. If you want to check your status on the application, you can check on track my application. ILP corner. This is basically related to your trainings. Then there is called background check. So generally, to do the background check, the timing which TCS suggests, I think that is 90 days within accepting the offer letter. Okay. But I think the maximum days which you can take is 120. Okay. But I would highly suggest to complete it within 90 days only. Okay. Then there is certification. Please ignore this for now. Let's talk about the status. On the status, it should be first registered, then it should be applied for drive, then it should be application received, then batched, then offer letter generated, then offer letter accepted, and ILP eligible. Okay, this will be on your track my application status after accepting the offer letter. Okay, and when you will click on this column, which is background check, okay, on this column, if you will click, you will get a background check like this, which is BGC documentation process initiated. Then fill the BGC form, which you need to fill. Currently, it should be showing you pending. And when you will submit this BGC form, then the BGC documentation will be there. Okay. So you can fill the BGC form and this kind of status you will be seeing on the portal. Now let's talk about the instructions. So for the BGC form, the instructions they have provided is the BGC form consists of three sections: personal details, academic and other details, and declaration. Please remember that all the fields are mandatory to fill unless specifies as optional. To save the information you have entered so far, click on the Save Progress button. Once you have completed filling in the details on one section, click on Save and Continue. Please note that you must fill in all the details in one section to unlock the next section to fill the details. However, you can review the entire BGC form in view only mode. Some of the details entered by you in TCS application form will be displayed in the BGC form. You can review and edit some of these details in case of any changes. After editing, remember to click on Save Progress to save your updated details. Okay. So first you will be seeing these three sections. The first one is the personal details, second one academic and other details, third one is declaration. In the personal details, you need to fill all your basic details like name, okay, last name, date of birth, email ID. These kind of details will be there. In the academic details, you will be filling your degree, percentage, semester, the CGPA marks. Okay, so these kind of thing, college name, branch, degree, these kind of things, 10, 12 details you will be filling. And in the declaration, they will be asking you some few questions like, are you involved in any personal or close civil criminal case, proceedings, charges, inquiry prior to joining? You can put no. Are you for any pending or closed uh, malpractice or any other charges? You can put no. Okay. And for BGC document checklist, do you have multiple names or name changes in any of the documents required as part of the background check? Very, very important. Okay. Please check the BGC document checklist. Okay. And if you need to update the names in any of the document, you can put here yes. Please, 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 it is very important. Check your names in all the documents. Note, reordering of the first name, last name is not considered as a name change. Okay. Do you have an NSR card? If you have it, you can put yes, otherwise no, but I have applied for it. Okay. Now talking about the essential document checklist which you need to check. Okay. For the personal identification, you need a birth certificate. Okay, so certificate should be there. So suppose my name is Praful Sharma. So in the birth certificate, the name should be Praful Sharma. Okay, so this is the first document. Second is address proof, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, general ID proof. If you don't have any passport, you can apply for it. You can apply for it, and you can book the appointment. And I think within 1 month, easily you can get the passport. Okay, within 1 month, you can easily get the passport. Till then, you can get the application number of passport. Okay, because that application number also in future, if needed, TCS will ask you if you have the application number for passport, so you can fill that I have applied for it. Okay, so these will be the documents. Okay, then for educational certificates, there will be 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet. For graduation, there will be a semester wise mark sheets. Okay, provisional certificate. Okay, and consolidated marks memo. So this will be there. Okay, for graduation. If you have done post graduation, the same things you need to upload for post graduation. Then additional documents, generally 15 days before joining, you can do is NSR card, medical certificate, or non-criminal affidavit. Okay, so the thing is, this time I am not sure if it is 15 days before joining or not. I am talking about last year. I'm not sure about this if there is a that 15 days before active thing is there or not, because generally what happened in last year is when you get your joining letter, before getting the joining, these kind of documents like uploadation links open in TCS portal, but I am not sure for this year. Okay, in which you need to upload these three documents. One is NSR card, second is medical certificate, and third is NCA, which is non-criminal affidavit. Okay, now talking about this, I think all the fillings I think you can easily do in BGC. Okay, in the background verification, all the fillings you can do. One thing which you need to check is all the names in the birth certificate, address proof, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, and whatever it is, the names should same. If the names are not same, you need to correct them. Okay. Educational documents. I hope you guys should have the educational documents with you. Okay. And if you have not received some educational document, okay, so for that, currently, please see the option if you have it to upload it later. Okay, and I think if they have the comment section, in that you can mention. Okay, so this will be there. Okay, now talking about the additional documents, the most important one is the NSR card, so which you can easily get in 2 days. Medical certificate, it is easy to get. Okay, you can go at any of your local hospital also, you can go to get the medical certificate. Okay, and non-criminal affidavit, you can directly go to the any uh, 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 at the any shop who makes the affidavits. Okay, so you can go to the affidavit shop. Okay, and they can make a non-criminal affidavit for you. Medical certificate also you can easily get. NSR actually you need to get through online registration. So basically this is the site of NSR, in which you have an option of new user, so in which you can click on register now. When you will click on register now, they will be asking you these details like full name, PAN number, email ID, mobile, login ID, login password, confirm login password, and you can register for this. Okay. After that, they will be asking you the employer details like company name. So you can put TCS, own registration. Okay. And you can put your CTDT number as a ID. After that, you will be getting like three methods for the verification. One is DigiLocker, video KYC, Aadhaar XML based KYC. So I think DigiLocker is the easy one. Okay, DigiLocker is the easy one. You can choose this option. And then after doing the KYC verification, there will be a lot of details which you have filled in the application form. The same details which you have filled in the application form, that will be filled here, okay, in the NSR registration. And after that, when you will be getting the summary of NSR, first of all, you will be filling the personal details, which I have mentioned. KYC other details you will be filling, qualification details and employment details. All these four details you need to fill. After that, you will get the NSR registration, okay, and you will submit it, okay. After that, you will be getting the NSR registration, and you will be getting a 12-digit PIN, which you can fill in the background verification form, which you can fill here. So that 12-digit PIN actually you need to fill here when you will click on um, NSR. Okay, so in the background check, you will be getting the NSR option to fill the IT PIN. Okay, in that background verification, you can put that IT PIN. Okay, and that will complete your NSR details. Okay, so I hope now this is clear in everything like what you need to fill. Okay, and if you have any doubts, I will be making another video. Okay, this is the process. These are the all documents which I have told you for the background verification. All the best.